Any man that tells you that he is not a calling type is just lying. Okay. There is nothing like I'm not a calling type in a relationship because you see, men, they grade time for what is important to them. So there is nothing like I'm not a calling type. It's either like that he has lost interest in you or he is not interested again or he is trying to check or try another option. You understand? You ladies, sometimes you asked me, he used to call me, he used to chat me every time, he used to call me, but these days he doesn't call again. He doesn't chat, he would be online, he would not talk to me unless I'm the one that talks to him first. Okay, I don't know what is wrong. Did I do anything wrong? Nay. Sometimes, let me just tell you the truth. It may be one is that he approached you because of sex and you gave it to him. So after he collected the sex, it seems like he has gotten what he wanted. You understand? So he started feeling maybe trying to check another person. Because you see men, you see men. He started trying to check another Chamaka. So in that process, maybe someone is taking his attention already. That is why he would not call you always like before. When he wanted to enter, he's always calling, testing, because you are like opportunity that he doesn't want to lose. You understand? But this is what you will do. Hmm? This is what you will do. When you notice that he no longer calls you like he used to, doesn't call you often again or test you. What you need to do is this. You need to withdraw yourself. Yeah, you need to withdraw. When you withdraw yourself back, if he truly loves you, you come back. If he didn't come back, my dear, you move on. And when you move on, you continue moving. Move on, move on. You understand? It's not a laughing matter anyway. But just do this thing. Withdraw yourself. When you withdraw, because he stopped calling you, he stopped texting, and he starts, hey, baby, what is it now? Did I do anything wrong? This why you don't call me again. Hey, don't talk to me these days. Nya, 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 nya. The idiot is your neighbor. Is your neighbor. On a claims in a not go and you are the one disturbing him. You are disturbing him. If you go the kind, but he has someone that he is disturbing with tests and call. You see? So what you need to do is just to enjoy it. It's just like the law of demand and supply in economics. I hope you did economics, right? The law of supply and demand. That is how this thing works. So you withdraw yourself. I'm telling you, you will be the one to come back. Start asking you, what is it now? This why I don't talk to me again. You have changed, you. You will hear that. You will hear that words. You have really changed. This is not you. This is not the person I know now. If it is before, and you do want to call me and but you don't call me these days. Okay. It's like you are seeing someone else. Just smile and allow him to come back. But if he doesn't come back, move on. And when you move on, keep moving on and keep smiling. Yeah.